Hello, welcome to Cinnamon Chronicles, from Spice Rack to Superfood. By Nutritional Fingertips YouTube channel, and today, we're diving into the wonderful journey of cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a spice, it's a flavor powerhouse that has been tantalizing taste buds and igniting culinary creativity for centuries. In this segment, we're exploring the incredible health benefits of this humble spice. Cinnamon isn't just a flavorful addition to your favorite recipes, it's also packed with powerful compounds that can benefit your body in numerous ways. One of the most well-known benefits of cinnamon is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that cinnamon may improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. But that's not all. Cinnamon is also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your body against oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, cinnamon has antimicrobial properties that may help fight off infections and support your immune system. And let's not forget about its potential benefits for digestive health. Cinnamon has been used for centuries to soothe upset stomachs and improve digestion. So whether you're sprinkling it on your morning oatmeal or enjoying it in a cozy cup of chai tea, adding a little cinnamon to your daily routine can go a long way towards supporting your overall health and well-being. Now that we've explored the health benefits of cinnamon, it's time to dive into its delicious culinary uses. Cinnamon isn't just for adding warmth and flavor to your favorite dishes, it's a versatile spice that can elevate both sweet and savory recipes. Let's start with breakfast. Cinnamon is a popular addition to morning favorites like oatmeal, pancakes, and waffles. A sprinkle of cinnamon adds a touch of sweetness and warmth to your morning meal, making it the perfect way to start your day. But cinnamon isn't just for breakfast, it's also a star ingredient in many savory dishes. In cuisines around the world, cinnamon is used to add depth and complexity to savory stews, soups, and curries. And let's not forget about dessert. Cinnamon is a staple in classic treats like apple pie, cinnamon rolls, and snickerdoodle cookies. Its warm, aromatic flavor pairs perfectly with sweet ingredients like apples, sugar, and vanilla. Whether you're baking up a batch of cookies or simmering a savory curry, cinnamon adds a touch of magic to every dish. So why not spice up your kitchen adventures with a little dash of cinnamon? From ancient times to modern kitchens, cinnamon has captivated our senses and enriched our lives in countless ways. But our adventure doesn't have to end here. In fact, it's just the beginning. I encourage you to embrace the power of cinnamon in your own life. Whether you're sprinkling it on your morning oatmeal, brewing a cup of spiced tea, or experimenting with new recipes, let cinnamon inspire your culinary creativity. And let's not forget about its incredible health benefits. By incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine, you can support your overall health and well-being in deliciously satisfying ways. So why wait? Spice up your life with a little dash of cinnamon today. Thank you for joining me on this aromatic adventure through the Cinnamon Chronicles. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this humble spice as much as I've enjoyed sharing it with you.